Okay, next comes to theorem. The ring of integers z is a principal ideal ring. Set of all integers, here the set of all integers is a ring. Okay, now we want to prove this z, the set of all integers is a principal ideal ring. What is a principal ideal ring? Every element in the z, every element in z is a, sorry, every ideal in z is a principal ideal. Z లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఐడియల్స్ కూడా ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఐడియల్ అని చెప్తే then z is a principal ideal ring. Okay, now come to the proof. Consider capital Z, the ring of integers. The ring of integers. Okay, now we prove Z is a principal ideal ring. A principal ideal ring. Now what we are going to prove? Z ni principal ideal చెప్పాలి అంటే ఏంటి? If we take any ideal in Z, then it is a principal ideal. So let capital U be an ideal. Capital U be an ideal in Z. Now to prove Z is a principal ideal ring, we are going to prove U is a principal ideal. Z ni principal ideal ring మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయబోతున్నాం. Now we are going to prove Z is a principal ideal ring. What is a principal ideal ring? In a ring, if every ideal is a principal ideal, then it is a principal ideal ring. Okay, here we are taking Z. Consider Z is the ring of integers. Now we are going to prove Z is a principal ideal ring. Okay, Z ni principal ideal ring మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయబోతున్నాం. So for that, if we take we are considering an ideal U. Let capital U be an ideal in capital Z. Okay, what is Z? The ring of integers. The ring of integers. So integers means it containing both positive integers and negative integers. Okay, let small a belongs to capital U. Small a belongs to capital U. Since U is an ideal, ideal means already I told every ideal is a subring. So A belongs to implies minus A belongs to U. If A belongs to U, minus A belongs to U. That means if we take a positive number, we take a negative number. If A is a negative, then minus A is a positive. That means U containing both positive integers and negative integers. Okay, na? Here we are talking about U. Okay, let U be an ideal of in Z. Z is total whole set. It containing both positive and negative integers. Here we are taking only a subpart, a subset capital U. Okay, here we see U also containing positive and negative integers. If A is positive, minus A is negative. If A is negative, minus A is positive. So in either cases, U containing both negative and positive integers. Therefore, U contains both negative and positive integers. Both negative and positive integers. Now we are considering another set U power plus, which is the set of all positive integers in U. U లో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ అన్ని U పవర్ ప్లస్ అనే సెట్లో పెడుతున్నాం. Let U power plus be the set of all positive integers in capital U. U లో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్లని U power plus అనే సెట్లో పెట్టాం. In real analysis, we have a statement, well ordering principle. Well ordering principle means any non-empty set of positive integers must be having a least member. ఏదన్నా ఒక సెట్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్ కలిగిన ఏదైనా ఒక సెట్ ఉందంటే అందులో కంపల్సరీగా లీస్ట్ మెంబర్ అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ నెంబర్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. హియర్ U పవర్ ప్లస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ద సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ ఇన్ U. Uలో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ అన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి U పవర్ ప్లస్లో పెట్టాను. By well ordering principle, U power plus has a least member, say it be small b. So what is the well ordering principle? Any non-empty set of positive integers having a least member. Set of all positive integers తీసుకుంటే దానిలో కంపల్సరీగా ఒక లీస్ట్ మెంబర్ ఉండాలి. హియర్ U పవర్ ప్లస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ద సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ ఇన్ U. U పవర్ ప్లస్ ఈజ్ అంటే యూలో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్లు అన్నీ కూడా U పవర్ ప్లస్లో పెట్టాను. So by well ordering principle, this u power plus is also containing a least member small b. So b is the least member in u power plus. Okay. Now let small a belongs to capital U. Let small a belongs to capital U. Here a and b are two integers. Here a and b are two integers. In the earlier classes, we know division algorithm property. Division algorithm property. What is it? For example, take 7. Divide 7 with 2. 2 3s are 6. The remainder is 1. Again, what we have? We get to 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1. Okay. Next we take 6. Again, divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. Again we get 6 as 2 into 3 plus 0. 2 into 3 plus 0. In the similar manner, అంటే 7 తీసుకుంటే 2తో డివైడ్ చేసుకున్నాను. 2 3s are 6, రిమైండర్ అంతా 1. అంటే మళ్ళీ 7 కావాలంటే 2 into 3 plus 1. అదేవిధంగా 6 తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, 2 3s are 6, రిమైండర్ is 0. Again why we get 6? 2 into 3 plus 0. Okay, in the similar manner, if we divide a with b, this is the quotient and we get a remainder. We get a remainder. Again, how we get small a? A equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r. Okay, suppose 7 as small a, 2 as small b. This is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So a equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r. So this division algorithm property must exist for any two integers. ఏ రెండు ఇంటిజర్లు తీసుకున్నా సరే ఈ డివిజనల్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంటుంది. Here we are having two integers. What are they? Small a and small b. So since small a and b are integers, comma, by division algorithm property, by division algorithm property, there exist two integers. Here quotient, remainder, these two are also integers. Q comma r belongs to z. ఈ రెండు కూడా ఇంటిజర్లు. such that a equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r. Here in the both cases, what we observe? Either remainder is 0, either remainder is 0, comma, either r equal to 0 or r. If we have r non-zero, then r must be less than b. r సున్నానా అవ్వాలి, లేదా r అనేది ఈ b కన్నా తక్కువ అన్నా అవ్వాలి. or r 0 less than r less than b. 0 less than r less than b. This is the division algorithm property. This is the division algorithm property. So this division algorithm property exists for any two integers a and b. Since a and b are integers, by division property there exist two integers, quotient, remainder, such that a equal to bq plus r. Either remainder is 0 or r 0 less than r less than small b. Basically here we have to show r equal to 0, but assume r not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 ga anukondi. So we have either r equal to 0 or this one. Now we are choosing r not equal to 0. Then what we get? 0. What we have? 0 less than small r less than b. 0 less than r less than b. Okay. Also we have a equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r. So that implies from this r equal to a minus bq. From this r equal to a minus bq. Okay. Now here this integer small r ఎందులో ఉంటుందో మనం చూడాలి. ఓకే ఓకే in starting we consider z the ring of integers. We are going to prove z is a principal ideal ring and we are taking u is an ideal. Okay, now to prove z is a principal ideal ring, we have to going to prove u is a principal ideal. We are going to prove u is a principal ideal. Okay, now for that we have this u containing both positive and negative integers. u లో మనకి పాజిటివ్ ఇంటూ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్లు ఉంటాయి. Then suppose u power plus is, we are supposed already, u power plus is the set of all positive integers in u. U lo na positive integers అని u power plus లో పెట్టాం. Okay, by well ordering principle, this u power plus is having a least member, say small b. So small b is the least member among all the elements of u power plus. u power plus ఉన్న అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కంటే b అనేది ఏంటిది చాలా చిన్న ఎలిమెంట్. ఓకేనా? నౌ సపోజ్ we have b అనేది ఒక ఇంటిజర్, b an integer, and we let a belongs to u. So here we have two integers in u, a and b. For any two integers there exists a division algorithm property. What is that? A equal to b q plus or either remainder 0 or if the remainder exists, that remainder is less than small b. Up to that we assume a equal to b q plus r. Here q and r, q comma r belongs to z. Okay na? Here r equal to a minus bq. Now since b belongs to u, b emo u lodi, and q belongs to z, q belongs to z, b is ideal, sorry, u is ideal here, that's why b into q belongs to u, b into q belongs to u. Again a belongs to u, we have here bq belongs to u, and u is an ideal, u is an ideal. From the first condition of ideal, a minus bq is also belongs to u, a minus bq is also belongs to u. Here a minus bq means small r, so small r belongs to u, small r belongs to u. Also we have 0 less than small r, 0 less than small r, that is r greater than 0. అంటే ఏంటి? r greater than 0 here, that is r is positive and r belongs to u, that means r is a positive integer in u. Therefore small r is a positive integer in u. We supposed u power plus is the set of all positive integers in u. u లో ఉన్న పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్స్ అన్ని u power plus లో పెట్టాను. Here u r is a positive integer in u. Therefore r must be belongs to u power plus. r అనేది u power plus లో ఉండాలి. What is this b? b is the least member in u power plus, we see. ఓకేనా? b అనేది u power plus లో least member. Here r also is also an element in u power plus. Since b is least in u power plus, b is the least member in u power plus, and small r belongs to u power plus, b is less than small r. u power plus లో small r అనేది ఒక ఎలిమెంట్, b ఏమో u power plus లో ఉన్న అన్నిటికంటే అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కంటే చిన్న నెంబర్. అప్పుడు b చిన్నదవ్వాలి, r పెద్దవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? b less than small r. This is a contradiction to r less than b. This is a contradiction to r less than b. ఇక్కడేమో r less than b అనుకున్నాం. Here we suppose r less than b, but what we get? b less than small r. This is a contradiction to, this is a contradiction to small r less than b. Okay na? So 0 less than small r less than b is wrong. Why we get this kind of contradiction? We assume that r is non-zero, therefore this assumption is wrong. Therefore our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is the assumption? r not equal to 0 is wrong. Therefore we must have r equal to 0. Therefore r equal to 0. So we have a equal to bq plus r. Here r equal to 0. So what we get? a equal to bq. a equal to bq. In the starting we taking a in u. So here a is a multiple of small b. Here a is a multiple of small b. So therefore small a is a multiple of small b. In the similar manner, if we take any element in u, it is a multiple of small b. ఇదే మేనర్లో మనం యూలో ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకున్నా అది ఏమవుతుంది? b యొక్క మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్ సిమిలర్, every element in u is a multiple of, every element in u is a multiple of small b. Therefore u is generated by small b. So every element in U is a multiple of small b. So U is an ideal generated by small b. Therefore, U is an ideal generated by small a. Therefore, U is a principal ideal. U is a principal ideal. So here in the starting, we are taking U as an ideal in Z, and here U is a principal ideal. In the similar manner, in Z, every ideal is generated by an element. Okay na? So in the similar manner, in Z, every ideal is a principal ideal. That why Z is a principal ideal ring. Okay na? Therefore, Z is a principal ideal ring. Now I am explaining entire proof in brief. Okay, ఒకసారి proof అంతా కూడా ఒకసారి చిన్నగా చూద్దాం మనం. What we have theorem statement, the ring of integer Z is a principal ideal ring. What is the definition of a principal ideal ring? In a ring, if every ideal is a principal ideal, then it is a principal ideal ring. What is a principal ideal? If we take U is an ideal, it is called a principal ideal if it is generated by some number in capital R. That means all the elements of capital U are the multiples of this small a. Okay na? All the elements of capital U are the elements of the multiples of small a, then it is called a principal ideal. Okay na? If in capital R every ideal is a principal ideal, then the ring is called principal ideal ring. So here what we have statement, the ring of integer Z is a principal ideal ring. So consider Z, the ring of integers. Now we are going to prove Z is a principal ideal ring. For that, let U be an ideal in Z. Let U be an ideal in Z. Now we are going to prove U is a principal ideal. That means all the elements of capital U are multiples of some elements in capital Z. Okay na? So for that, since U is an ideal in Z, what is Z? The set of all integers. If we take small a, some elements in U, if we take some element small a in U, then minus a is also belongs to U. Why? Because U is an ideal. Okay, since U is an ideal in Z. Okay, ideal means it is a subring. So it contains both. If we take A belongs to U, then minus A is also belongs to U. If A is positive, minus A is negative. If A is negative, minus A is a positive. Okay na? Uలో మనకి A తీసుకుంటే minus A కూడా Uలో ఉంటుంది. అంటే A పాజిటివ్ అయితే minus A నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది, A నెగిటివ్ అయితే minus A పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ ద సెట్ U containing both positive and negative integers. Among these positive and negative integers, we taking all the positive integers in a set U power plus. U power plus సెట్లో పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్లని పెడుతున్నాం. ఓకే, వెల్ ఆర్డరింగ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఇన్ రియల్ అనాలిసిస్. By well ordering principle, every non-integer set of real positive integers having a least member. U power plus is also the set of all positive integers in U. U lo na positive integers and U power plus lo bettanu. By well ordering principle, this U power plus is also containing a least member, say B. So B is the least member in U power plus. Now here we are having two integers. What are they? Small a and B. For any two integers, there may be a compulsory we can apply division algorithm property. For any two integers, division algorithm property is applied. Okay, what is division algorithm property? Just small. For example, 7, we want to divide 7 with 2, 2 3s are 6, the remainder is 1. If we want to divide 6 with 2, 6 3s to 2 3s are 6, the remainder is 0. Here 2 3, we want to divide 7 with 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. Again, why we get 7? How? 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1. In the similar manner, we get 6 equal to 2 into 3 plus 0. Okay, here 7 and 2 both are integers. 6 and 2 are integers. In the similar manner, if yes, A and B are integers, A equal to, again we have BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R. Suppose A 7 as A and 2 as B. This is quotient, this is remainder. So A equal to BQ plus R. In the both cases, we observe what we observe. A the remainder is 0, or if remainder is non-zero, then R must be less than B. So either r equal to 0 or r 0 less than or less than b. Okay, suppose r not equal to 0, then what we have? 0 less than r less than b, suppose. Okay, we have a equal to bq plus r. From this r equal to a minus bq. Okay, here b belongs to u, here b belongs to u, and q belongs to z. Q is an integer. Since u is radial, bq belongs to u, bq belongs to u. Also a is also in u. Okay, so a is also in u, a belongs to u, bq belongs to u. Therefore a minus bq is also belongs to u. Here a minus bq means small r. So r is a member in u. In the similar manner, we already have 0 less than small r, that means r greater than 0. So here r is a positive integer in u. What is u power plus? It is a set of all positive integers in u. U lo una positive integer u power plus lo bettanu. Here small r is also a positive integer. R greater than 0 means r positive. So small r is a positive integer in u. So there r must be belongs to u power plus, because u power plus is the set of all positive integers in u. R belongs to u power plus. But in u power plus, small b is the least member. B is the least member in u power plus. That is, b is the least element among all the elements of u power plus. U power plus on అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కంటే b అనేది చిన్నది. ఇక్కడ here small r also an element in u power plus. So we must have b less than small r. b అనేది r కంటే చిన్నది. But here we have r less than b. This is a contradiction to r less than b. Here we have r less than b. Here what we get? B less than small r. Both are in contrary, in the reverse manner. Both are రెండు రివర్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి మనకి. So how we get this contradiction? We assume r not equal to 0. Therefore the assumption is wrong. Therefore we must have r equal to 0. R equal to 0. So in a equal to bq plus r, here r is 0. Therefore we get a equal to bq. So a equal to bq. Okay, so in starting we take small a in u, and here a is a multiple of small b, b into q. In the similar manner, every element in u is multiple of small b. Therefore u is generated by small b. So here u is ideal generated by small b. So in the similar manner, here u is called a principal ideal. Why? Because u is generated by small b. u అనేది b తో జనరేట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి u అనేది అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఐడియల్. ఇన్ ద సిమిలర్ మేనర్, ఇన్ z every ideal is a principal ideal. That's why z is a principal ideal ring. Okay.